Well, new at 11, Georgia Senator Jon Ossoff continues to advocate in Washington for those impacted by Hurricane Helene by pushing to pass the bipartisan Farmers First Act. WGXA News reporter William Bazone spoke with the senator today to learn more.
Parts of South and East Georgia continue to recover from Hurricane Helene, and the agribusiness industry of the state took a massive hit.
1.5 million acres of timberland were destroyed. Our fall crops, specialty crops, fruit and vegetables, pecans, poultry, beef cattle, cotton, tobacco.
That's why Georgia Senator Jon Ossoff said he's launching a push to pass the Farmers First Act of 2023. Introduced by Democratic Senator Tammy Baldwin of Wisconsin and Republican Joni Ernst of Iowa, Ossoff said he's hoping to continue their work and the original work of the two House of Representatives members that drafted the bill. It will specifically work to expand mental health resources for Peach State farmers and would also reauthorize the National Farm and Ranch Stress Assistance Network, boosting funding for it until 2028. Ossoff believes that if action is not taken soon, the devastation could be too much to bear.
Agriculture is Georgia's #1 industry, and if these farms fail, these rural communities are at risk of failure and collapse.
In a recent study conducted by the Polarization Research Lab, Ossoff was seen as the most bipartisan member of Congress, collaborating with those on the other side of the aisle over 25% of the time between a 2-year period of 2022 to 2024. The senator said that he wants to keep finding solutions that bring people together.
We got to remember that we're all Americans. We're Americans before we're Democrats and Republicans. And Georgia farmers who need help because of this storm, they need members of Congress in both parties to unite and to pass this disaster relief package by the end of the year.
Reporting in Macon, I'm William Bazone for WGXA News.